Anyday Garage Door Repair of Orange is your trusted partner for all garage door repair. Orange. Whether you're facing issues with a broken spring, malfunctioning opener, or door off track, we provide fast and reliable solutions. Our team specializes in garage door repair near Orange, ensuring that your garage door functions like new again. We proudly offer services such as garage door repair near Orange CA, garage door opener repair, and spring replacements. If you need professional garage door repair near Orange, California, contact Anyday Garage Door Repair of Orange for same-day service and expert repair you can count on.